Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan, guys. What are we doing today? A vegan BBQ sauce with no ketchup. Step aside, let's get it. Alright guys, let me go ahead and break this down for you real quick. If you don't have tomato puree, go ahead and use ketchup. That's fine. I do have a half a cup here. I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. I do have 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar right here. I do have 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, and 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, which really makes a difference, okay? And 1 teaspoon of molasses. I do have some salt, and I do have some pepper. So, what you want to do is go ahead and put it in the pan that you're going to be putting on the stovetop, all right? Bring it to a boil, turn it off, take it off, and you are done. It will thicken on the stovetop, okay? So, this is my pan I'm going to be using right here from Lodge Cast Iron. So, this is all you have to do, is go ahead and put all the ingredients in there. So there goes the onion powder, there goes the garlic powder, we have the smoked paprika, we do have the apple cider vinegar, we have the liquid smoke. I'd say about a half a teaspoon of salt or a little less in there, okay? The maple syrup is really going to make a big difference on that. And I do have the coconut sugar. Now, instead of coconut sugar, you could go ahead and use brown sugar. That is fine. And the molasses to give it a nice, deep, rich flavor, guys. Absolutely love this stuff right here. Get the rest of that in there like so. Okay. Put that aside. Go ahead and give it a little bit of this pepper. And guess what? That's it. Go ahead and stir it up. Remember, it's going to go ahead and thicken, okay, on the stovetop and when you take it off. So look how deep and rich that is becoming. Look at that. All the flavors are meshing together. I could smell the molasses. I could smell everything. Liquid smoke is crazy in there, okay? That's it. Simple and easy. Now, this is a finished product right here. Beautiful. Smells amazing and tastes so good. So, instead of going out and buying store-bought BBQ, this is the alternative. My name is Joseph. Thank you for watching The Vegan Spice. Be well, be safe, be yourself, guys. Thanks again.